Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and protecting hardware. This saves time and prevents data loss. Once done, remove the rear panel and ground yourself with an anti-static strap. This prevents electrostatic damage. Make sure you have the correct screwdrivers and the replacement SSD type, SATA versus NVMe, and note connector orientation. While the cover is off, visually inspect the drive bay and cable for damage. Now, pause only to confirm you have a verified backup, then proceed to the physical removal step. You now remove the old SSD carefully, loosen the mounting screw and slide the drive out along the connector. When installing, align the gold contacts precisely and insert at the same angle, then press down and secure the standoff screw so the drive is stable. If you're using an adapter or caddy, make sure connections are tight. Loose contacts cause intermittent failures. Once installed, double-check cable routing, reseat nearby components if needed, and replace the chassis cover so you can safely power up. You power on and immediately press the BIOS key. Confirm the SSD appears and that SATA mode is ASI for best performance. Once detected, boot your installer or recovery media to format, initialize partition table, and restore your backup image. If Windows or Linux won't install, check BIOS boot order and disable secure boot temporarily. If the drive isn't detected, power down and reseat it, try a different slot or external adapter, and then update BIOS firmware. This often resolves compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.